Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mitsubishi Outlander brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, stable surface and securely supported by jack stands for safety. Next, remove the wheel to gain access to the brake assembly, then locate the caliper. Now, let's remove the caliper. Use a wrench to loosen the two caliper guide pin bolts. Once loosened, carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the brake rotor. Remember to support the caliper's weight, perhaps with a wire, to avoid stressing the brake hose. Then, simply remove the old, worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, you must compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a dedicated piston tool. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Next, install the new brake pads and any shims into the caliper bracket. Finally, carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and tighten the two guide pin bolts securely. Almost done. Reattach the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until you feel firm pressure return. This seats the piston against the new pads. Finally, drive cautiously for the first 200 miles, avoiding hard braking, to properly bed in the new brake pads for optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.